Legends of Learning presents the Matter Factory game. This is a science game that makes learning about the structure of matter fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, tour a factory with some friends. In the factory, you will learn more about the structure of matter and its states. Use the mouse to click on different objects to complete tasks to learn more about the different states of matter and how they are used in the different situations. Perform different tasks to practice identifying solids, liquids, and gases to learn more about their separate characteristics. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game.
Congratulations. You have a
Have fun and enjoy playing.
Are made up of a mass. After being weighed and knowing their mass, drag them and order them from greatest to least mass. Well done.